Welcome to another fence installation by myfence.com. Today we're showcasing how our innovative process sets us apart in delivering the perfect fence for your property. Our team begins by using the Fence Genius iOS app to precisely mark each fence post. This app guides us in placing temporary hanger screws and determining the exact cutoff points for each post. Now, on to the exciting part, Phase 2, installing the custom panels. This is where our Fence Genius technology truly shines. Each panel is custom designed and prefabricated to fit exactly between its designated posts. Our team carefully carries each numbered panel to its specific location. Because every panel is uniquely crafted based on precise measurements, they account for any terrain variations, be it slopes, angles, or uneven ground. By using prefabricated panels, we ensure a perfect fit. Each panel aligns seamlessly with the posts, eliminating gaps and inconsistencies. This method also brings a new level of quality control. Fabrication in a controlled environment allows for meticulous craftsmanship in comparison to traditional on-site construction. With prefabricated custom contour following panels, it enables unmatched efficiency. On-site installation is quicker, reducing disruption to your daily life, especially if you work from home. We temporarily hang each panel using the pre-installed hanger screws. This method allows us to set up the entire fence efficiently before securing everything in place. Once all panels are up, we make any necessary micro adjustments to ensure perfect alignment and aesthetics. Finally, we secure each panel permanently using 4-inch deck screws. This ensures your fence is not only beautiful, but also durable and built to last. At myfence.com, we're proud to combine innovative technology with expert craftsmanship. Our use of the Fence Genius system means you get a fence that's tailored to your property's unique features, installed with precision and care. myfence.com is one of the first companies to begin embracing the new Fence Genius system to enhance fence contractors' abilities. myfence.com is a local family-owned company in the Pacific Northwest who embraced the technology from the beginning to jumpstart their company. Check out the rest of this fence installation to see how just a few people installed over 350 feet of fence composed of 46 sections and 2 custom contour following gates. Once we finish screwing in all of the panels, we finalize the install by easily installing the custom contour following gates. There you have it, another perfect fence installation using the Fence Genius panels and gates. Installed by myfence.com. Our innovative Fence Genius system allows us to custom design and prefabricate each panel and gate to fit your property's unique contours perfectly. This ensures a seamless installation with precision fit using quality pre-stained cedar for durability and natural beauty. Our expert craftsmanship means your fence is built to last, enhancing your outdoor space efficiently and effectively. At myfence.com, we blend cutting-edge technology with skilled workmanship to deliver exceptional results. Thank you for joining us. Ready to upgrade your fence? Contact us today.